Welcome to Timbersmith Decoys. My name is Travis. Do you want to take your scales from this to this? Well, I'm going to show you in the next 3 minutes how in 3 steps you can take and get that much detail out of wood burning your replica fish scales. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We're going to burn our scales in. We're going to start down the lateral line. So I'm going to go in, right on the sides. Now you don't want to go straight to the lateral line, you want to stay off to the sides, otherwise your scales won't look real. As you're going, you want to burn them and give it a slight pullback. Tip's a little hot. So each scale gets a little pullback. Okay, and then you're going to go and start on the next row. And you can even do these two rows at a time. Just like that. This is my scale burning tip here. We're going to switch over to our flat round tip. And now we're going to burn out the top of the scales. And what you're doing is you're giving the shingle look to each scale. Now you're going to stay away from the lateral line, because we'll do that here in just a second. But you can see where I'm just basically using it as a paintbrush and going in at a real low angle. And I'm riding each scale tip down. First of all. Now we're going to go put the lateral line detail in. Okay, so now we're going to take and put the age rings in. All fish scales have age rings, just like a tree does. As they grow older, they're going to have more lines on their scales. I usually stay right around 3. And there you go. That's how we're going to burn in all of our scales on all of our fish. Alright, so if you like this video, I've got playlists on the complete steps on how to burn in the scale detail on the walleye. You can check out the playlist. I'll put that in the description below. If you want to learn how to make my scale tips, here, I've also got a video of that I'll put in the description. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next video.